dynoing the Z06 today. We're gonna see how much power it came from the factory. The motor I think has 670 horsepower. In front of us we got Cleetus Mcfarland in the Turbo S. Heading over to a shop right now. We're gonna be using his dyno. Go ahead and tell me what you guys think in the comments below. How much power does the Z06 have?
One thing I missed about my C8 is it launched awesome. So I love a good launch in a car.
I haven't launched this thing yet because 1,500 miles is what we were supposed to do for the trans.
So you're gonna launch at the track?
All right, guys, so change of plans. We were gonna go dyno the Z06, but instead, Cleetus is jumping in the Z06. I'm jumping in Maddie's Turbo S with James, and we're gonna go race him around the Freedom Factory. What do you think?
The NA power is good.
It's totally different, right?
Yeah.
First time launching the Z06. Here we go. Man, that was intense. We just got back to the shop, about to put this thing on the dyno, see how much it's got. How many horsepower do you think it's got?
Dude, I don't know, it feels good.
670 at the motor.
We'll go 560 at the tire.
560? I was thinking 600. Oh, we're doing that, okay. George, how much power do you think this thing's gonna put out?
Probably 600.
I'll go 599.
She's on the dyno. Cleetus trying to figure out what gear to put it in. Third gear's a 1.22 to 1, and fourth gear's 0.88 to 1. We need a 1 to 1.
We'll do third or fourth. I'm gonna try third first.
All right, let's see how much power this bad boy has. Looking for 600. All right, here we go. Third gear pull. That was a quick pull.
Third.
That's it.
Well, it's not 1 to 1.
Right.
It's a 1-2-2.
So now we're going fourth gear.
Yeah. So fourth will be overdriven.
Car has 530 horsepower. Dang, is that right?
You gotta remember too, she's hot right now.
Oh yeah.
Just beat the crap out of it.
Didn't really roll into the torque. I kind of just let it get up in the higher RPM.
Okay.
On that second one. That's why it made a lot less torque.
That was loud. That was different. Let's see what our results were over here. What? Oh wow, way more power.
Yeah.
561, 385. That's what I'm talking about. There you go. The Z06 has, or ours has, about 560 horsepower at the wheels. It is a very hot day. Hopefully we'll come back out here in the wintertime. We'll get some bigger numbers. We got some mods coming. That's why we wanted to get this baseline to figure out how much power we had. 561 and 385 looks like what's going to give us today on this really hot day. It thinks it's 74, but it's not. We are leaving now. We're gonna head over to the drag strip, see what this thing can do in the quarter mile. Haven't been out here in a long time. We've got the Z06 and the GT3 RS. Cleetus Mcfarland is Turbo S. His Porsche is tuned, so I don't know what's gonna run, but it's all-wheel drive. I believe these things run like a 10.5. We just hit 904 miles. We do have a check engine light. We did the dyno runs. Hopefully that'll go away in a day or two. Still gonna run on the track and see how she does. First rip ever in the Z06, and it's against Cleetus Mcfarland. So first run ever in the Z06, 10.89 at 125 miles an hour. I think they run in like mid-10s, but it also is 99 degrees outside today. 1.6860 foot. That's really close to what I remember the C8 doing. That's my personal best. I've never gone faster than a 10.8 in the quarter mile. Good times as always. We'll go racing again this weekend. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.